Changing Tomorrow Day at Astellas is our annual day of service, where Astellas employees from across the nation and around the world come together to support nonprofit organizations, helping to build a better tomorrow in communities of where we live and where we work.
This year created a new challenge. With the pandemic, we had to figure out how could we come together in a virtual way to help impact our community. And we learned quickly that all of our employees were very committed, ready to come together virtually in our efforts to change tomorrow.
More than 1,400 Astellas employees across the U.S. engaged in inspiring acts of hands-on and at-home volunteerism. While we were not able to come together to volunteer in person this year, the spirit of volunteerism at Astellas did not waver but was as strong as ever. And their contributions will impact the lives of tens of thousands of members of our local communities. And we are committed to our communities every step of the way to help them now and into the future. This is at the core of how we hope to change tomorrow. This is the Astellas way.